It has been very nice. It will not be quite this nice, unfortunately, as we go through the Austin City Limits Music Festival weekend. Of course, the scene is the Great Lawn at Zilker Park. Let's zoom right on down there and just get this right on out of the way, because that's what most people, I think, seem to be concerned about. How will the weather be Friday through Sunday in the Zilker Park area? And here's the answer. We think each afternoon temperatures will be warming into the middle and upper 80s. Peak heating hours of the day, 88, 89 degrees from tomorrow right on through Sunday. Lots of sun tomorrow, very few clouds, but as we go through the weekend, we'll gradually see more clouds, which again, probably will be a good thing. It'll block enough sunshine that you'll occasionally get some shade, even if the particular band that you want to see is right there in the middle of the great outdoors and there aren't any shade trees around. In that case, it will be quite hot at times, but the evenings are going to be just beautiful in the 70s. We are keeping that little teeny chance of a shower in the late Sunday forecast, but I was very tempted just to take it out today because it just doesn't look very likely at all. But we have to cover our bases because there will be lots and lots, tens of thousands of people outdoors throughout the entire weekend, and there is a slight chance late Sunday. We'll talk more about that in a minute. Let's talk about this day. Every day we've been warming a degree or two. Today, 2 degrees over yesterday, this afternoon, and almost back up to average. The morning, though, well below average. 42 degrees, fourth morning in a row out at ABIA that we've seen a record low temperature. It was 53 this morning in the city at Camp Mabry, and that still, for the middle of Austin, is 10 degrees cooler than average. Out there today, cloud-free, as it's been all week, 83 right now. After the sun goes down, it'll drop quickly in this dry air to 72 degrees at 8 o'clock. 65 degrees is our 10 p.m. forecast tonight. Temperatures right now, it's not bad out there, low and mid-80s. The weather the last 3 days have just been super for a festival. The next 3 days, a little bit warm. 23% relative humidity. It's actually drier air out there today than yesterday. Again, 83 the current temperature with a clear sky and a wind that's variable in the city, south-southwesterly at the airport. Sunset tonight at 7:08. Pollen count. Mold did improve today, but the ragweed didn't. It's still high. Fall elm 69 is medium. Your allergy forecast for tomorrow looking very much like today. Around the state, almost everybody in the 80s. It's a warm early October day, about average. Sky is clear. There's not a cloud in the sky anywhere in Texas. The upper level low that's been parked over the west, blocked by this big ridge of high pressure that's been keeping our weather the same day today, is finally on the move. It'll kick out the way up here in the northern plains, and that'll drag a weak front into Texas on Sunday. That's why we're including that very small chance of a shower. I don't think there's going to be enough moisture back in here to produce rain of any significance in much of Texas, especially in our part of the state. A quick update on Tropical Storm Otto. Out here, this storm is going to continue to move to the northeast, only over the open waters of the Atlantic Ocean before eventually dissipating, maybe even reaching the Azores over there early next week, but no land areas affected. Okay, tonight, our low temperatures, very similar to where they have been, maybe 1 or 2 degrees warmer than this morning. Tomorrow, 1 or 2 or 3 degrees warmer than today, high temperatures in the middle to upper 80s. In Austin tonight, 54, skies clear, light and variable winds. Tomorrow, let's go 88. Lots of sun with south winds, and here's your 7-day forecast. Again, close to 90 Saturday, Sunday, and so standing in direct sun, it can feel closer to 100. That chance of rain, 10% for Sunday evening. A little better chance on Monday, and then looks pretty warm middle of next week.
Well, looks